thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. It's a hard pitch. The batsman would have to be wary of the extra bounce on offer here. However, once they settle down, the ball should come nicely onto the bat. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Oh, that's a good connection for the batsman. That's what you call a long distance deposit. That was a brilliant shot. Perfectly executed. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It is also good for batting. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Well, that's a massive six, made a cracking sound of the bat. That was a stunning shot. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. Batsman losing his concentration there. Wonderful sound of the bat, and that's a six. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Good shot for a single.
इसको थोड़ा आगे रख सकता है अगर मारेगा तो then
Turned away for a single. Batsman will get extra run as an unnecessary overthrow. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. But that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. Fantastic batting that. Great execution.
बॉल अपने से कम ज्यादा घूम रहा है कुछ करने का नहीं है
Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. Very important to keep wickets in hand because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Superb delivery. Can't do much with that. Last ball coming up. That's fiery from the bowler. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume. Thrilling contest. The field inside looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. No, that's lovely timing. The ball racing to the boundary. The batting team is managing a good run rate, that's for sure. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Very good running between the wickets. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Excellent dive. Superb reflexes. That could well be the catch of the match. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. My God, this looked impossible until it took it. Incredible effort by the fielder. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Muscle, a magnificent shot for 4. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. Mid-on in place. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Oh, that's edged and 4. Not much that you can do about that one. Last ball coming up. They put a good all-round performance today, bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.